row here in Satsuma, Florida. Got to go better than 320. Henley 320.54. All right, this is the king of big block Chevrolet powered ACG 17. Here we go. Oh, yeah. Oh, he just keeps on trucking here. Last night's big winner. Here he goes. Art Williams, slightly twisted, number 2. And this is... All right, not going to be 400. And a real good run. All right, Chase. So Chase Richardson, the winner of our mini rod class here tonight, as we're going. All right, so as we get things rolling here tonight, Full Pull Live here in Florida. Oh, well, you think. All right, a little bit heavy on it.